Have you ever felt lighter after forgiving someone instead of staying angry? Hello, friends, welcome to Greater Talks. Today I am going to speak on the topic forgiveness is often better than punishment. Forgiveness means letting go of anger and choosing kindness even when someone has hurt us. Punishment, on the other hand, may stop a mistake for a while, but it does not always change a person's heart. Forgiveness has the power to heal. Now, for example, imagine a student who breaks a classroom rule. If the teacher will only punish the student may feel fear or embarrassment. But if the teacher will explain the mistake and will forgive him, the student will understand the value of trust and will try not to repeat the error. In this way, forgiveness teaches a lesson with care. Another example can be seen in our daily lives. If a friend hurts your feelings and you choose to forgive him, your friendship becomes stronger. Holding on to anger only creates distance, while forgiveness builds connection and peace. History also gives us powerful examples. Let us listen to the story of Santa Eknath's forgiveness. Santa Eknath was a great saint from Maharashtra, known for his patience, kindness, and deep devotion to God. One day, Santa Eknath had gone to the holy river Godavari for a bath as part of his daily routine. After finishing his bath, he was returning home calmly, chanting God's name. On his way home, a man decided to insult and test him. The man spat on Sant Eknath. Instead of getting angry, Santa Eknath quietly went back to the river, bathed again, and continued walking. But the man did not stop. He spat on him again and again. Each time Santa Eknath returned to the river, cleaned himself, and came back without saying a single harsh word. This continued many times. The Santa showed no anger, no frustration, only patience and calmness. Finally, the man became tired and deeply ashamed. He realized his mistake and fell at Santa Eknath's feet, asking for forgiveness. Santa Eknath gently forgave him and said that because of him, he got the opportunity to take many holy baths in the river. Instead of punishing or scolding the man, he responded with kindness and humility. So, friends, isn't forgiveness more powerful than anger? It can change hearts and bring out goodness even in those who behave wrongly. Forgiveness does not mean that we should ignore wrong actions. It means we should choose understanding over revenge. It helps both the person who forgives and the person who is forgiven to grow and become better human beings. In conclusion, punishment may correct behavior, but forgiveness transforms hearts. So let us choose forgiveness whenever possible and make our world more peaceful and kind. Thank you.